I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious muffins from scratch with an easy guide. First, let's gather our dry ingredients. You'll need 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of granulated sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Whisk these together thoroughly in a large bowl. This ensures even distribution of the leavening agents, which is key for perfectly risen muffins. Getting these measurements right is the first step to a successful bake. Next, we'll prepare our wet ingredients. In a separate bowl, whisk together 1 large egg, 1 cup of milk, and 1/2 cup of melted, cooled butter. Don't forget to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for that wonderful aroma and taste. Now, here's a crucial step. Gently pour the wet mixture into your dry ingredients. Mix until just combined. Overmixing develops gluten, leading to tough muffins. A few lumps are perfectly fine and even desirable. Now for the fun part, adding your favorite mix-ins. Whether it's 1 cup of fresh blueberries, chocolate chips, or nuts, gently fold them into the batter. Next, prepare your muffin tin. Line a 12-cup muffin pan with paper liners or lightly grease it. Fill each liner about 2/3 full with your delicious batter. Preheat your oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. This initial high heat helps create a beautiful dome on your muffins, making them look and taste professional. Place your muffin tin into the preheated oven. Bake for an initial 5 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, then reduce the temperature to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for the remaining 10 to 15 minutes. Total baking time will be about 15 to 20 minutes. To check for doneness, insert a toothpick into the center. It should come out clean. Let them cool in the pan for 5 minutes, then transfer to a wire rack to cool completely. Enjoy your homemade, perfectly baked muffins.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.